July teaches us that even in the heat, there's always room to grow. I love that quote. It's a great reminder that challenges and difficult situations can be opportunities for growth and learning, just like how plants can grow in the heat of summer. We too can thrive and develop in the midst of adversity. The quote also highlights the importance of resilience and adaptability. By embracing the heat and challenges that come with it, we can discover new strengths and abilities within ourselves. What do you think about this quote? How do you relate to the idea of growing in challenging situations? Students' attendance, register decorations, ideas for preschool. I'm just a girl standing in front of July, asking it not to melt my makeup. Lol, that's hilarious. This quote perfectly captures the struggle of staying cool and looking good during the hot summer month of July. It's relatable, funny, and a great way to poke fun at the challenges of summer.